Hello and welcome to this tutorial on persisting data in Android. In this video, we are going to focus on one of the most popular ways of storing data on the device, the SQLite database. Before we begin, let's cover a few key concepts. SQLite is a lightweight relational database that is integrated into Android. It provides an easy way to store structured data. A database is a collection of tables that store related data. Each table consists of columns and rows. Columns represent the attributes of the data, while the rows represent the actual data. Let's create a new Android Studio project and integrate SQLite into it. The first thing we need to do is include the SQLite library in our application. We can do this by adding the following line to the Appleville build Gradle file. Next, let's create a database class that will define the schema of our SQLite tables. We can do this by extending the room database class. The entities parameter specifies the names of our entities, and the version parameter specifies the version of our database. We also define an abstract method that returns an instance of our DAO data access object interface. Now let's create our user class that will represent our entity. It will consist of a unique id and a name. Finally, let's create our DAO interface that defines our database operations. We can use annotations like insert, update, and delete to define our CRUD create, read, update, delete operations. Great! We've successfully integrated SQLite into our Android project and defined our database schema. Now we can use our DAO interface to perform CRUD operations on our database. That's all for this tutorial on persisting data in Android using SQLite. I hope you've found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and happy coding.